ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, students, guest speakers, and of course to our Professor Joderick Navarrete. Good afternoon, and I welcome you to our symposium. It is my pleasure to open about symposium in digital literacy. Today, as we embark on a journey to explore the digital literacy challenges and opportunities to navigate the digital landscape. As we gather here, let us ignite conversations, share insights, and empower each other to harness the power of digital literacy for the betterment of society. Together, let us delve into depths of digital literacy, exploring its nuances, addressing challenges, and envisioning boundless potential to shape a more informed, empowered, and inclusive society. Once again, let's aim for better informed, empowered, and inclusive society. This is Marison T. Canelius, a licensed professional teacher, major in social studies, reminding you to be better for people and to the society. Thank you.